Hi, I'm Ritesh Kochar.
And hi, I'm Shruti Sabu.
And she is a nerd.
Hello, mister. Where are the printout of my notes? You took printouts on only one side of the sheet?
Yeah, so?
Why waste so much paper? Do you know? To make one A4 size paper, it takes 10 liters of water. No, seriously. How much carbon footprint is left after this act of yours?
Carbon what?
Carbon footprint is the direct effect of our lifestyle and activities on the environment in terms of carbon dioxide emission.
Yeah, can you see mine?
Very funny. It heats the earth and causes global warming. So the earth will be submerged in water and you'll be swimming in it forever. And all this can happen in less than 30 years.
30 years? Oh God!
The daily activities we do, like cutting trees, smoke from vehicles, electricity and water that we waste, and the latest one which you did, taking printouts on paper, all these lead to the increase of carbon dioxide in the environment.
But is this all only because of our daily activities?
No, it is also because of various industries and their activities.
But you don't expect companies to change their processes every day, do you?
No, but they can adopt a lot of carbon offsetting techniques, that is reducing their carbon through other measures now.
But I think a lot of them are already doing it, right? There's this company in UK called Tesco. I'll tell you what they do.
You know, Tesco is into production of wine and it uses those thick wine bottles. So instead of those bottles, it asks its suppliers to make a little bit thin wine bottles. So because of that, it saved around 2,600 tons of glass and an overall 15% reduction in their packaging and handling cost.
That reminds me, we have recently done a study on carbon footprints.
We took 50 people from different cultural backgrounds, mostly investors, and noted down the following points.
What do they know about carbon footprints? What do they know about companies that do something about carbon footprints? And how should companies tell them about what carbon footprint reduction measures it's taking?